This video shows how to set the time and date on the HinksPix Pro for any show that is playing back from the SD card here. This does not affect any other setting, such as if you're using E131, ArtNet, or other protocols. The battery will retain the time, typically for 7 days or more without power. If you need to change the date and time, the typical use for this would be if your battery has exhausted and the time is lost or changed to a default, or if you need to push the controller ahead. Let's say if you want to test a show that won't come on for another hour, you could then push the controller ahead an hour, forcing the show to go ahead and start. Now, we are in the operational menu, so this is after the controller has booted. We are not in a standalone mode. We are currently in E131 mode. Normally, you would be in a standalone mode. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll hit the select button. This will bring up the operation mode screen, and we're going to go down using the minus key to SD config and time. I'm going to hit the S button. I'm now going to hit down negative to go to set time, and S. This will allow us to now change that. So I can use the negative or positive buttons to change the date. I will click OK over here to move to the right to the hours. Note that this is in 24-hour time. So if we want to change that, we can change that through 23, or let's say 00, midnight, and click OK again. That's minutes. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click S. And that will now show your current time in the rolling screen. Now we're going to go ahead and show how to change that same setting through the web interface. The web interface is available during standalone and E131 ArtNet operation. So we're on our controller. We're going to navigate over here to miscellaneous settings, and we're going to go to set controller time. We're now going to go ahead and check off this box, and we're going to select the date and time that we want. So if we want, for example, Tuesday at 05, and well, it may not be really, let's say 16 and 12. Now in this particular case, this does allow you to enter AM PM if that's easier for you to use, and it's 4:12 p.m. Now again, the controller will work with 24 usually in your setup. So we'll go ahead and hit this button up here till it turns purple. Then we will go here and hit reset. So we'll go ahead and flip our controller back on here for the camera. The controller will boot up, and then you should see your new time appear. When your show is playing, you will see a white light turn on. As you can see here, you will see Tuesday, 16, and it's now configured.